How's it guys? Morning. It's first shoot of the Drive Chronicles YouTube channel. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. It's pretty early, 7:30. So we're shooting the Pagani, and we're basically in Franschhoek. First location is here at Berg River Dam, and then we'll be heading through to the pass around the hairpins, and then we'll be moving over the pass. Yeah, it should be fun.
What's special about today? Happening, Iron Man.
Can't feel my nose, or my face, or my mouth. Slurring my words from the go. It's lekker.
Past me, I'm gonna do that same shot again. Yeah, so just go burn all the way out past me again, and then turn around and then come back. Yoo-hoo!
Let's go. What's going on? Helicopter's about to land, baby.
You just want to wait.
Hello everyone.
You just want to. Hey, you good? Yeah, strong.
Alright. Well, I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no.
Well, I think we're going to have the heli taking off, then we're going to have a rolling start, and I'm going to be driving off as you see the heli flying over us, and then we're going to do an epic drive on the Franschhoek pass.
This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more.
So we're just trying to get some signal on the phone with the guys on the ground at the bottom to see what the next set of events is. We're going to run up the hill, get some signal, phone them, find out when they need us down there. We'll start up and head down.